Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the peaceful community of Rhyne Park Village, Montego Bay, St. James. This stunning 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom residence offers the ultimate blend of Caribbean charm and sophistication. It comes with an ensuite master bathroom with a soaking tub and balconies overlooking the hills of Montego Bay. They are expansive living areas, perfect for entertaining and relaxation. Ceramic tile floors and secure parking on property for multiple vehicles with stunning views of the surrounding hills. Rhyne Park Village is just 12 minutes from Sangster International Airport and 8 minutes away from all major supermarkets, restaurants, beaches, and shopping centers. This beautiful home awaits you and your family. Call your agent today to book an appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 310,000 or Jamaican $47.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.